Game.
I don't want to miss this opportunity to thank you and thank everyone for coming. Actually, about the word God's existence. Existence, 10 years of existence. Now really, existence, I involve the blessing of God in our relationship for 10 years. 10 years of God's existence in our lives. More especially, God is every day manifesting His presence to our lives, particularly right now, because He manifests His presence in your presence. So it really calls for celebration and gratitude that you came for this occasion. You really have to celebrate this because a friend told me seldom people reach 10 years. So I'm very happy that you share your time for coming to celebrate with us.
Yay!
Halik tatay yun ah! Halik tatay yun eh!
You may now kiss the bride.
Bakit walang bila?
Bakit walang bila? Subuhan ng cake! Salamat po! Salamat for celebrating.
Okay, thank you.
One more! One more!
Dali, sayaw!
Last.
Wala naman tayo.
Last dance may sabi. Pining. Pantumina.
Ang pantumina? Dalan lang.
Pining daw ng
Oh, Pre Raul, batiin mo yung mga fans sa Facebook. I-upload dito eh.
Hello, thank you so much for everyone for joining us in our celebration, 10th wedding anniversary.